Okay, number one on the test, chapter 6, test copy C. And this is the cosine function. Amplitude is 6. So it goes from 6 to minus 6. And the period, if you put in 4, this becomes pi over 2 where cosine is 0. And if you put in 8, it's negative 1 times 6. And so it becomes negative 6. And so it's at 8, it's down here. At 4, it's here. And again, I expected you just to type this in your calculator to get this cosine function, but I assume that you kind of know what a cosine function looks like. So there's the cosine, and this is an this is a right side up parabola moved down 16. So there's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And if you move over 1, it goes up 1, and move over 2, it goes up 4. If you move over 3, it goes up 9, which should be 9 from 16 is 7, and then if you move over 4, it goes up 16, so it hits right on 4. And this is a pretty close sketch to what it is, but again, you can just type these into your calculator and see them. The only thing we really need to see on here is that they intersect at 4 and negative 4, and Desmos, you can just tap those points. So our integral is going to be from minus 4 to 4. And we want to take the area that's captured is in between here, and so we're going to take it has to be the cosine as the top curve, 6 cosine of pi x over 8, minus the bottom curve, which is the x squared minus 16 minus all of that, dx. You take the top one minus the bottom one, or the left one minus the right one. And at that point, I expect you just pull out your calculator and type these in. Now, the easy way to type those in is to type one of them here, 6 cosine pi x divided by 8. And type the other one, since you had to graph them anyway, if you would have typed these in here, x squared minus 16. Then you could have typed graph, and you would have saw the cosine curve and that parabola, and then you can calculate the difference in these two, or you can go to math and go to 9 and type in from negative 4 to 4, 1 second, of y variable y1 minus y2 dx. And that would do those two functions subtracted. Enter, and you get 115. And that's the area between the two curves.